All right. Encoder work. Let's watch them move. As soon as I can pause, the train should take off and roll out. So here we go. We're gonna sit in the white-faced ones and chill. Here we go. Right on. So we're showing that we're gonna sit in these packs right here. We're gonna wait and see what happens when the helpers get to the destination. We're gonna sit and chill. At least the brakes in this one work a little bit better, right? You know, like I said, and you're at this point in time, you can move around and do whatever. So it says the service approaching, helpers, they're going across the way. And let's see if it ends the scenario once there's a way. But like I said, using the world editor has been different. Using the world editor has been different for me, so that way you don't hear the train over the top of my voice. In 2024, but pretty much has worked the same. So I figured some of these videos were needed for the year 2025. They lacked on YouTube very well, I should say very bad, not very well, but very poorly. So I'd figure to make some today, just because I've had a lot of train activity around me here in Phoenix, Arizona. So I'd figured, hey, why not jump into a pair of ST40s, especially the white nose-faced ones. You know what I'm saying? Just and just see if we can turn on the lights on it. Yeah, you can hear the horn. Horn should be used a little bit slower. So, but those helpers should be at the other point. Let's see what happens. But just a pair of beautiful ST40s as we sit and chill. Like we can observe right here, you know, and wait on the map. We can look on the map and it'll have the should have the trapped. It's been a minute since I've had to look at the map for a second. Normally I use the F1. Yeah, that'll help bring it up too. There you go, right here on the bottom. Bring up the map. Let's see where our super diesels are. Getting across. So here comes our helpers. So the scenario should end in a second. We'll see. Like I said, part of science. But these trains, you can basically do whatever at this point in time. As soon as those trains started taking off, you can do whatever you want with these. You know, you can basically stage up your scenarios and basically start your scenario route building. Free roam scenario. To me, it's free roam was what I got Train Simulator for. Sitting and fart around in Amtrak's, super diesels. You can see I got the SD70s, so I figured why not, before the Christmas season, before Halloween and Christmas, start pumping a lot of Train Simulator Classic 2024 to the internet as far as YouTube, producing a lot of the content just because I don't see a lot of it on the internet, and we'll go from there, right? So, our two locomotives made it to their destination, and they're sitting there waiting. No, we're waiting. Okay, so as soon as they stop, it should end the scenario. Let's see. Does the scenario end? Because I told them to stop, chill, you know, stop at the destination, relax, have some tea, drink, you know, hang out with the British, celebrate. So they're sitting there chilling. I should be able to click on them now. No, it's not letting me do that. But at least I can see the dude sitting there chilling. So the stop command worked. And we're still in the scenario. So let's go and see what they're up to. If we click on them, let's see, does it end the scenario? Because right now they're sitting in there chilling. Now when we click on them, can we fart around with them? Here we go. Final destination reached. So be aware of that when you click on those locomotives. At this point in time, I'll have to look and see, because if I remember right, you can basically tell them to get off the, tell the driver to basically sit and chill and wait for a trigger at that point in time. In other words, these things can be controlled by AI. But they're sitting just across the point where we told them to go. So the scenario says, hey, I think your scenario is complete. You know, we'll go, like I said, we'll add more to it. But, hey, at least if we didn't click on them, it was chilling, right? So it may end the video we'll go from there. There you go. Yeah, like I said. All right, so at least you can get that part. So at least you can fart around with the other trains, but as soon as you click on your target train that you've, at that point in time, farted around with, the scenario will end. So hopefully, I thought the stop command would have done more, but I'll have to do some more research in the world editor and see if there's an advanced more command that says, hey, you can go ahead and let the train at that point in time, you can move it to another place. Because that's ideally what most people get into free roam and want to do, is basically tell a train to go, hey, go to the second point, wait for me to get there, I want to fill it, and then go to a third point, you know, that type of thing. Anywho, you get the idea. So, hopefully, you find these videos informative on YouTube. More to come. Like I said, we'll have another part coming up in a second.